Getting into the SEC reporting requirements, the SEC is the Securities and Exchange Commission. This is the regulatory body that oversees the buying, selling, and trading of securities. These are basically the market police. They exist not only in the United States, they exist in a variety of forms and nations around the world. Just be aware that these are the people that are going to be monitoring what you're doing. Keep in mind that your trading account, your bank accounts are all associated back, at least in the US, to your social security number. And through your social security number, your transactions are recorded, and major financial institutions are required to provide that information to them. They also have your annual income as it was reported by your employer, because that also aligns with your social security number. So they have a variety of information, not only on the corporations that they regulate, but they'll have just as much information on you. So view this as a warning not to engage in nefarious activities or something that could be perceived as insider trading. They will come talk to you. Like if you work for a major corporation and you're making trades in your company's stock during a blackout period, not only will your corporation contact you, but the SEC will view that as insider trading and they'll want to speak with you as well. So just understand that the SEC is very actively engaged with all trading partners, and that ultimately what they're trying to do is ensure that there's a fair market and that everyone has an opportunity to trade and do it fairly. At least, that's what they're trying to do. So if you ever find yourself in a place where they reach out to you, just work with them. They're just trying to figure out what's going on with something that caught their attention. And if you're doing something that's attracting their attention, maybe think twice about that. Here is a view of SEC.gov. This is the SEC's website where you can search through all of the regulated filings from publicly traded companies. They have a system called E.D.G.A.R. You can find it under the filings part of their header. If you use that system, you can search by ticker or by the company's name, and you can easily find all of their information. And then from there, you can dig in and go through all of that information that we just covered. Taking a closer look, the site will give you this view when you pull up a company. It outlines their 8K, their 10K, which is their annual report, 10Qs, which are quarterly reports, any proxy-related information, as well as ownership disclosures. And those are the filings that track the buying and selling of stock by the major shareholders. So all of this information is available on the SEC's website, and it's all readily available to you. You don't need to own the stock or to pay a subscription fee to see it. There are a variety of ways that you can get this information, but if you go directly to the SEC, that's who all the corporations have to file the reports with anyways, and the SEC publishes the information so you can get it right from the source as soon as it's available.